Welcome to this guided meditation that is meant to help you release all the stress from your body and mind. First, find a calm, quiet place to do this meditation. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Keep your spine straight and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Take a deep breath in from your nose, breathe in deeply again, and this time notice how good it feels. And as you exhale, letting go of any tension. You are feeling relaxed. Now imagine yourself in a giant, sparkling silver bubble. This is a bubble of protection. See it glowing and sparkling brilliantly, filled with beautiful heavenly light. Feel the warmth of this light. This bubble is going to protect you from any kind of negativity. You are safe. Let go of all your fears. Let go of all your concerns. Let go of all your anger. You are completely letting go, and you are completely relaxed now. You are now breathing in this white light, taking in all its healing energy, which is cleansing you. And as you exhale, you are releasing all the darkness from your body and mind. And it's fading away in that divine light. And as you feel lighter after letting go of all the darkness inside you, you see a rainbow. Feel the colors uplifting your mind, bringing you more peace, more comfort. The light and rainbow colors lighting up your mind like a diamond, healing it and washing away all the stress and anxiety and insecurities that you have been feeling, replacing them with positive thoughts. You are now glowing with this light inside your bubble of protection. Keep breathing in this beautiful, calm energy and feel it healing your mind, body, and soul. You are completely calm. Remember, you can always visit your bubble of protection whenever you need to, whenever you want to calm your mind. You can now open your eyes when you are ready. You are safe. Thank you for joining us for this meditation. Have a great day ahead.